Hey guys, welcome back. Let's just jump right into this month's bag. It's been a while. I apologize. I've had it for a little while. It is my September Yes Oh Yes subscription bag. As many of you know, the information is in the description box, but Yes Oh Yes is a monthly beauty subscription. I believe it's $13.99 plus $3.99 per month shipping. And you get 3 to 7, I think it's 3 to 7 full-size beauty products, just like BoxyCharm. Always full size. The bag always values, I think, over $100. I think they say always. I've never seen one. I've been with them almost a year now. And yeah, let's just jump right into this. So this month, it always comes in a little bubble mailer like this. Most of the time they're pink. This month, it's silver though. So, yippee-doo! Okay, so September 28th, it's Believe In, and it has a unicorn. So I don't know if it's Believe in Unicorns or just Believe In. And this is what the back of the card says. And as always, there's a little coupon code back there. And the value of our bag, September 2018. So, this bag, looking at it, we have 4 products, which is not bad for full-size products. 2 of which were in a BoxyCharm not too long ago. So we're going to talk about those. The first is this Naked Cosmetics. Sorry for my lights, y'all. The Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. This wasn't a BoxyCharm. I was not lucky enough to get it then, so I did not get a duplicate. I just took the sleeve off, and here's what it looks like. These are fun highlighter colors. I'm just going to swatch here. They're not, wait a minute, what did I just did? Let's try this over because I'm swatching with a finger that I didn't have any swatches on. Promise, I'm not drunk. Just tired, y'all. Just tired. Let's try again. Try again. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Let's see how well this goes. I'm going to dry my hand off real quick. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, top row right here. You guys like what else? So, can you see that? This one goes with this one goes in the middle, and this one goes over here. I'm not so good at the swatch game. Hey, but we're making it work here. They're actually really great. They have different reflex, and they're actually pretty pigmented, so that's not too bad. Obviously they're powder, but they're creamy feeling powder. So that's good. Now let's get into some of the funner colors. We're going to go green, blue, yellow. Ooh, that blue is real soft. So green, blue, yellow. Can you see those? That green is not showing up. It's over here. It's not showing up too well on the camera, but here we go. Now you can see that green. Blue is blinging, and yellow. So they're pretty good. This retails, it says, for $32. Sometimes some of these prices I'm like, maybe you want it to sell for $32, but have you ever sold one at $32? I don't know, but it could be fun, and you all know I love using some shimmery highlighters as eyeshadows. So, you know, that could be good. The next thing we have is this Aesthetica 3 Pro Series with the eyebrow brush, eyeliner, and spoolie. We also got this in BoxyCharm not too long ago. They say it retails for $45. Honest opinion, guys, I'm not opening these. I'm putting these in my, I call it my bad bin or my giveaway bin. So when someone comes over, my daughter wants something, like, that's my stuff that they can pick through. If they want it, great. If they don't, great. And then at the end of the year, if nobody wants the things that are in there and I don't give them away as gifts to people who might be able to use them, then I'll just donate them. But I have these same brushes in this giant cup of shiz, you know, over here from when we got them in BoxyCharms. I probably, The liner brush is okay. You can't hook up a spoolie, y'all, so they're okay. Would I pay $15 a piece for them? No. This eyebrow brush, the angled brush right here, garbage. Garbage. It is too long and flimsy to use in your eyebrows. Like, you cannot have any precise movements with this. I've tried using it for my eyeliner across my top lashes with some gel lash or some gel liner. It doesn't work. It's just too flimsy to do anything with. So I think it's trash. Would I ever pay $45 for these brushes? No. Aesthetica, I appreciate your hustle, but you need to step up the quality to match the price, because this just isn't doing it for your girl. I'm sorry. And I know I'm not the only one out there that thinks so. So if these were, I mean, even if this was a $15 brush set, I'd be hard pressed, but it's more doable and more understandable at a $15 price point than a $45. So just my opinion. Take it or leave it. The next thing we have is Glow by Glory Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have no idea what shade this is at the moment. Let's open her up and see. Ugh. This retails for $18. This is in shade Honey Bun, but look, y'all. Like, it's either not full or it's separated, but there is a hole in my liquid lipstick. I don't really know what's going on with that. It looks like it's just, I wish you could see down in the tube. It looks like it's just not full at all. The doe foot is a little bit weird. It's very long and thin. It smells like absolutely nothing. Let me wipe this highlighter off my hand before we swatch this for you. Alright. So the color is nice. The application is nice. It's not really too splotchy. It's kind of thick and looks like it's easily buildable. Still smells like nothing. The color's okay for fall. Just a little bit concerned with that. Like, does anybody else have this issue? It's just obviously not full. Anyways, $18 on that bad boy. And then the last thing in our box is this Cella Beauty Matte Lipstick, and it's $20. I don't even know what shade this is, y'all. It doesn't tell me. This is what it looks like. Let's open her up. Scalpel, please. Okay. Sorry. A little dramatic. But I can't get it off, y'all. Okay. Okay. So, now let's see. It's kind of a berry red. It says matte, but this stinks. This smells like grass. Yeah, it smells like when I pick fresh vegetables out of my grandma's garden, like that dirt smell. That's what it smells like. The color is okay. I do notice it already, like, kind of bleeding through the lines in my hand. So I don't know how practical it would be, but the color is decent. Anyways, that is our box for this month. Again, September 2018 Believe In with a unicorn. The total value $119 this month, and less than $18 a month for, it hasn't dried down yet. Less than $18 a month for this beauty subscription, which in my opinion, some months is better than BoxyCharm. Like, I love BoxyCharm, but here lately they've just, I feel like the last 3 or 4 months has just gone downhill. I don't know if they're like saving the best products for end of year, you know, Christmas, holiday season. And I know they've been gearing up all year for BoxyLuxe, and I think maybe they just let the quality slip on these last couple of boxes because of that. But when BoxyCharm failed me, Yes Oh Yes pretty much picks up the slack on those things, and I've been seeing a lot of the same products back and forth. So if I can get the same products for a couple dollars cheaper a month, like, I think that's a pretty good deal. And if you're interested in this box, check out the description box below. The information is in there. Yes, it is an affiliate link. Yes, they do pay me a small commission if you sign up with that link, but that link also gives you, I think it's 10% or 30%. It's a discount on your first month. So that's pretty good. So, you know, if you don't like affiliate links, great, go to yesoyas.com and get it there. You can get it for the same price. For your first month, they always offer a little bit of a discount. But if you're okay, let them know that your girl told you about the box and you're interested in it, just click the link down below. It's easy, I promise. Anyways, that's all for today. I'm on my way out the door. I've got some things to do today. Let me know your thoughts in the description box, and we're just going to keep chugging on. So until next time, bye.